Has your home or business been damaged by fire? Has an unexpected disaster happened and you need help putting it right? It's not just the flames that needed putting out when a fire takes hold. The resulting damage from smoke, soot, and water have to be dealt with too. We understand it can be overwhelming trying to deal with the amount of work involved on your own. As professional fire damage restoration specialists, we're here to help. We have years of disaster restoration experience, and our fully certified team of experts are available 24/7 for an immediate emergency response. Whether it's your home or your business that's been damaged, we will clean and restore your property quickly and efficiently, recover your valued possessions, and minimize your losses. We provide no-risk estimates and accept all insurance. There's no need to feel overwhelmed and alone because of fire damage. Contact us today for a free quotation or to learn more about our services.